Now would you look at this? Now who did it? Now you know you did it. You know you did it. You know you in trouble, right?
Já limpou? Vamos, agora entra, vem.
The bottom line is we need to get a dog for protection. Like if someone tried to break into our house, I'd want to make sure that they were immediately terrified.
You're a cute pumpkin. And Sophie's a good grandma. Who ate the Hawaiian rolls?